How to fix the brightness on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost way is to scroll down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Here navigate to the brightness option and slide it up or down like a volume knob for photons and adjust the brightness depending on your preference. You can also adjust the brightness in settings, so go ahead and launch the settings application and tap on the display and brightness option and further adjust the brightness slider. Also, a few tips for brightness adjustments are go ahead and enable or disable true tone. So in settings, again, tap on display and brightness and then toggle on or toggle off the true tone toggle button. It adjusts brightness plus color based on ambient light. Next, in display and brightness, again, tap on the night shift option and select the night shift mode as it warms the screen colors at night. That is, less blue light equals to less eye burn. And the next way is auto brightness. So go back to settings and tap on the accessibility option and then tap on the display and text size option. Further, scroll down and toggle off the auto brightness option. So these were a few fixes to fix the brightness on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.